Hello and welcome to Wolfe Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2021 Silverado 1500 trail boss. And moving on to the interior with power windows and door locks, Bose sound system, heated front seats, driver side power. This vehicle has a heated steering wheel, XM radio, Bluetooth of course. Our 2021 Trail Boss has the 6.2 liter paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, off-road tires, and a 2-inch lift. Lots of room in the back seat with seating for 3, the Chevy heavy-duty molded floor mats, and a couple of USB jacks there as well. Thank you for shopping at Wolfe Canmore. If you have any questions about our 2021 1500 Trail Boss, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.